Dave here along with Jax, and we are on this entire home transformation project. We are just a week away from wrapping up this entire home transformation. You watched this project from the very beginning. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures here as I'm talking. This is the house in the very beginning when we first arrived here. A few months ago, this house was just a tiny little Cape Cod. And take a look at the house now. Let me turn the camera around and show you what it looks like. Take a look at this entire home transformation. 3 floors, bump out on the right, a 2-level rear garage addition with a master bedroom above it. The entire property has been transformed. We have new sidewalks here, new driveway, the front curb. Everything's been transformed on this particular home transformation. So I just want to give you a little update. We are just a week away from finalizing this project. The floors have to be finished and then a little bit of touch-up paint, and this property is complete. Let's go inside. I want to show you what it looks like. Take a look at this 6-foot wide double door. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show you real quick. We'll do a quick run through just to get an idea of what this house looks like. When you walk in here, take a look at this. We have the gas fireplace package. We opened up this entire floor plan from the front of the house to the back. We relocated all the walls. Everything you're looking at is brand new, relocated and redone. We added this entire top floor. Look at this open foyer going straight up, 2 stories, 18 feet, beautiful open windows. These are Anderson windows, and we have a gas fireplace over here. Look at this open floor plan. It's just amazing. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. We are standing in the dining area right here, looking towards the front of the house. You have the living room. We're standing in the dining room. Take a look at the open concept kitchen that we have here. We created this. You're walking in from the garage over there. As you walk in, you're walking down the hallway into the open kitchen, open dining, open living room. Take a look at this layout. We have an open peninsula here with an Eden island. You can see how the counter sticks out above. You could put your stools under there, and we have our pendant lights, island sink, dishwasher, cooktop. We have to adjust the drawer, and if you look up, we have our exhaust. Over here we have our built-in microwave, wine bar, and on the one wall we have a full pantry, closets with a refrigerator and a wall oven. Doesn't this look really nice? Check this out. Over here, hit this switch, and we have under cabinet lights on both sets of cabinetry. Again, guys, this is about a week away from completion. We still have some minor work to do here, but most of it is just the floors and some touch-up. But let's take a look at some of the other rooms throughout this house. As we walk through the kitchen here, we have the den area right off of the kitchen that has access to the side yard. Take a look at the size of this yard. We had the fence put in. We have the side landing, and this opens up to a full backyard here all the way through. We put this 6-foot barricade fence all the way around. As we go through the side here, you get a better idea. That's the original structure from the front of the house. And then from that point coming this way, we added all of this area here. This is the guest bedroom. That's the 2nd floor above. And then as we look through here, in the back is the 2-car garage that we added and the master suite above. And if we back up all the way, you can get an idea of the size of this total transformation. All that was added, all this was added, and then we had the main structure that we stripped apart, added an entire top floor, and bumped out with the 2 additions. All right, so we're still on the 1st floor here, and as we open up this door, this is the guest bedroom. Let's walk through here. Take a look at this. We have access, a Jack and Jill door into the 1st floor, full bathroom, and then this door opens up. We have full closets here. This is part of our bonus closet package plan, and you can see the size of this closet. This is a size closet that's usually in the master bedroom. That's on the 1st floor. And then as we look over here, we have a Jack and Jill door into the 1st floor bathroom. And take a look at that custom shower wrapped with full tile, custom doors. We have the toilet and this beautiful vanity system here. Everything is ready for the homeowners to move in soon. We're just about a week away. Let's go take a look upstairs. I'm going to give you one more shot at the kitchen and take a look. It came out really nice. Really want to show you this layout again and this open concept kitchen into the dining and living room. So many people call us about opening up their first floor, and they can't envision how the open floor kitchen is going to flow into the dining area. It's going to flow into the living room. In this case, it was the same situation with the homeowners that hired us here. They didn't know what was going to happen, what it was going to look like. We created the plans, we created the layout, they approved it, and here it is. We're just a week away from finishing. Look at the amazing layout here. The cabinetry, the countertops, everything is arranged through us. We handle the entire process from beginning to end. The appliances, we approve. We get everything straightened out for the homeowners. It's a nice organized process from beginning to end. And you can see we're just a week away from finalizing this. Look at the beautiful oversized trim, the base trim, this custom mantle for this gas fireplace. Everything here is just coming out amazing. Look at the steps. We have the steel spindles going up, natural finish on the handrails, which will be the same finish on the floors when we're done. But let's go upstairs. We have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and we also have an office on the very attic with a half bath up there as well. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, we're gonna go upstairs now. And as we get to the top here, it opens up to a really nice open foyer and long hallway down to the master bedroom over here, full suite, bedroom over here. We have a 3rd bathroom on the top floor here, and this has a Jack and Jill door into this corner bedroom. Let's go in and take a quick look. All right, guys, so we're walking into the 1st bedroom on the 2nd floor, and double closets, Anderson windows, Jack and Jill into the bathroom. Closets are all set up. This is all bonus package plans that we offer. Let's jump into this bathroom here. We have, door's locked. We're gonna go around this way. And as we go through here, look at the vanity. It's all set up. We have the mirrors coming next week when the floors get done. This is a standard hallway bathroom, toilet, vanity, and then we always like to have a tub on the 2nd floor in one of the bathrooms. This is the bathroom. And we have a nice handheld here. Look at all the beautiful moldings and tile. Everything is set up. Towel bars are all set up. Everything is ready for the homeowner. In the next week and a half, they'll be moving in. Let's take a look at the next bedroom. Same thing. This is almost a mirror image of the other bedroom. 2 closets, oversized Anderson windows, door, but this particular bedroom doesn't have access to the bathroom. That one does. Let's jump across the hall to the 3rd bedroom up here. Now this one has a full bathroom, and as you look, we have 3 full windows. Again, double closets, same setup, full shelving, bars. It's all set, both closets. Let's take a step back here, take a quick look, and again, you can see it's all set up. Let's jump into this bathroom here. We have a full 4-foot vanity, custom modern vanity, toilet. We have a tub up here in this particular bathroom as well, handheld, custom tiling, and this is a really nice layout. This bedroom has this full bathroom. Guys, so far we went through 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Right now I'm going to show you the hallway leading to the master bedroom suite. We have a laundry down here also in the hallway, and then we're going to go into the master bedroom bathroom suite, and we'll take a look. Turn around, go down the hall. This leads up to the office. We have in here a full laundry. Now we're getting the floors done, remember, so we have a wash sink. It's going to be a washer and a dryer. Everything's confined right in the hallway, easy access. No more running down to the basement and doing your laundry. Over here, we have another full closet, have a pole with a shelf, and then let's go into the master bedroom. This, again, is the master bedroom suite. This is over the 2-car garage. Look at the size of this suite, the size of this bedroom. It's a 10-foot cathedral ceiling, tray ceiling, recessed lights. We have the crown molding going around, full windows all the way around here. we have set up for low voltage wall mount TVs, and over here will lead us into the walk-in closet. So once we get the floors done, we're going to install a beautiful barn door with 4 lights in it, glass, and it's frosted glass. It's going to go over here. You're going to grab the handle, slide it. It gives you access into the walk-in closet. And take a look at this walk-in closet. It's wrapped complete with our custom shelf package. And over here in the corner, we made a custom built-in with drawers. We're going to have some mirrors right over there, and just a really nice layout. All right, so this door right here, again, master bedroom. We're in the master closet. This door right here leads into the master bathroom. So we're going to open this door up. Look at the size of this master bathroom. And as we walk in here, you saw us building this. You saw the different stages. We have a 6-foot soap tub under the double window. We have a double vanity. Again, the mirrors are coming next week. We have a custom shower. Look at this beautiful shower, 7 foot by 5 foot, all custom. We open up the door. It's got our bonus glass doors, a package. We have also over here, we have a handheld with a rain head in the ceiling, dual controls. Look at the texture on the tiling, double shelves in the back corner there. And this is again a custom shower. Everything is made from scratch. And then over here is the private toilet. We open up the door and a great size area, fan, window. As I turn around here, you can see the size of this master bedroom, bathroom suite. I mean, look at this, it really came out nice. Look all the way into the walk-in closet. You see the size of this closet, the size of this space. It's a really nice space to come home and retire to at the end of the day. Even with all of the areas that I've showed you, there's still more. We have the office upstairs, we have the basement, but let's go upstairs and we'll take a look at the office. It's a walk-up open office with a half bath up there. So let's go take a look. All right, guys, we're gonna go up there. Look at the open staircase, flows up to the attic, down to the 2nd floor. It's all open. And as we get up there, we have access into the attic storage space, and we have a custom built-in over here. Let me turn on some lights. So we're turning on the lights, and look at the ceiling lines in here. You're gonna have an office up here, desk. We have set up for high-speed internet in the walls. And then in there we have a half bath. We have solar skylights. And you can see the windows, more windows, lots of light here. It's very lit up with the colors that they chose. And as we walk in here, this is a half bathroom. And it is all set up. Nice sized bathroom for the attic office. Just a toilet and a sink. But it really came out nice. They have their own office in their own home. Just walk upstairs and go to work. It's a great layout. If you've been watching this from the very beginning, you can probably tell we've done a lot of work here. We had from around 1,000 to 1,200 square feet. We're almost 4,000 square feet on this particular transformation, and we're just about done. We're just about a week away. This place is going to be, the homeowner's going to move in. It looks amazing, and I know you've been following this. I've been getting a lot of calls, a lot of emails on this particular project. People are interested. They've been following it from the very beginning, and we're almost done. And we're going to actually have a completed walkthrough, a final walkthrough video in about a week or so. But right now, if you have any questions about your home remodeling project, you can give us a call. You can ask for me, Dave Pangione. My number is right here down below. It's 201-774-3733. Again, it's 201-774-3733. You could email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. Ask for me. I'll address them. We can see what your family's looking to do. We take care of the entire process from beginning to end. It's a turnkey package that you don't have to worry about anything. We take care of everything from beginning to end. Again, give us a call at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You could also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.